Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the Texan sun, in the Master 50 Nationals, the stage was set for a regal tussle. West Royals locked horns with West Lions, a duel where every ball was a chapter in this thrilling cricket narrative.
Amidst Houston's heat, the Lions' roar in the Royal Rumble echoed, a testament to the unwavering passion and enduring spirit of the players. The Royals aimed to weave a tale of strategy and skill.
The toss fell in the Lions' favor, electing to bowl, setting the stage for a showdown. It was a battle sculpted by precise bowling and resilient batting, culminating in a chase that would etch itself in the annals of the tournament.
Royals put forth a respectable score, a canvas painted with the strokes of Posanipalli and Poddar. Yet, it was the Lions bowlers, leading with Sharma's incisive spell, that clawed back, ensuring the plot thickened as the innings folded.
Royals' innings, a tapestry with threads of partnership and resistance, had Ayres and Posanipalli crafting a stand of defiance. While the runs flowed, Lions bowlers hunted with precision, Sharma striking thrice, sending ripples through the Royals' ramparts.
The chessboard was laid, Sharma and Gariali deployed as knights, cutting through defences. Royal score could have soared, but for the Lions' guile, keeping the extras in check, the hidden warriors in this contest of wills.
The Lions began their prowl, an early jolt but steadied by McGovern's blistering blade, his shots etching a brazen narrative. Joined by Gariali, their partnership was the fulcrum on which the chase pivoted, a symphony of aggressive batting.
Sodhi and Poddar plucked wickets, but their efforts were akin to holding back a tide with a broom. Gariali, the unmovable object at the crease, and McGovern, the unstoppable force, steered the Lions towards the den of victory.
McGovern, with his audacious 65, scripted the most riveting chapter of the match, and Sharma triple strike laid the foundation for the win. Gariali's unbeaten stand was the keystone of the chase.
Sharma and Gariali, twin architects of the Lions' triumph, wove magic with ball and bat. McGovern, the marauder, turned the chase into a spectacle, his willow a wand wielding boundaries with abandon.
Lions roared to victory by 7 wickets, a run chase that will resonate through the tournament's corridors. The Royals' defense, valiant yet vulnerable, collapsed under the Lions' relentless pursuit.
Triumph greeted the Lions, their strategy and execution a potent concoction leading to a resounding win. The Royals, despite their gallantry, fell short, their crown slipping in the face of the Lions' charge. The Lions' victory was reminiscent of great chases led by seasoned maestros. We witnessed a spectacle of determined wills, where strategy met agility, foreshadowing a gripping tournament ahead.
The tale of the Lions' chase will be recounted with vigor, their victory a beacon for future confrontations. The Royal saga, though ending in defeat, contributed to a narrative rich with cricketing prowess and passionate competition.